My name's Jeff Sensmeier. I'm the managing director of Valenta in the USA West. Prior to joining Valenta, I was chief strategy officer for a manufacturing firm that was a tier one supplier to the power sports and outdoor power equipment industries. Well, I've been able to help clients in a couple of ways. The two things that I focus on in my job. One is bringing in a qualified team of managing partners throughout the United States and West region. The other thing I do is work directly with our clients and make sure that I can help identify solutions for them in their businesses. If you have any business needs, please reach out to me at my booking link below on valenta.io.